you've ever wondered what a Japanese Nintendo DSi looks like, here it is. Today's repair is going to be a motherboard swap between these two devices. The one on the right here is obviously the Japanese model, and the one on the left is an American model. Now, it was a lot cheaper for me to buy a $30 Japan import because it's completely region locked. Now, you can fix this by putting custom firmware on this system, but there's a handful of issues with this particular system, those being that the screens don't work, and the power module in the back, which is also, I believe, the D-pad, this piece right here, has a blown fuse, which, I mean, can be bypassed and give you access, which I did attempt to do, but I would strongly recommend that no one try to do that. Now, in theory, the DSi from Japan has the exact same internals as the DSi from America. The only difference being there is one IC inside of this DSi which is responsible for the language, which you can get past that and put English on this system, but I've already explained the reasons for me not doing that. The IC, or integrated circuit, looks something like this, or this, or this. Now, I could micro-solder the one from the American model, and in theory it would work on this, but I am by no means a micro-soldering specialist.
Now let's get to the repair.
After removing all the screws and unmounting the ribbon cables, I can now take this motherboard and move it over to this console. Don't forget, there is one ribbon cable on the back. I'll just move this one over here for now. And it fits. Now all I have to do is plug in the ribbon cables. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Now I just got to put the screws back in and reassemble the shell. So as you can tell, it reads games, the buttons are functional, and all I'm going to do now is just clean it up. As for the broken DSi, it's just going to go into the mobile scrap pile, just in case I need parts from it. Anyway, I hope you guys have a marvelous day, and thank you so much for watching.